guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is RiahsChoice, and today I am back with another makeup video. I'm back with another video, finally. Y'all be asking me, when am I gonna start doing makeup videos again? When am I gonna do? And I'm back, don't worry. I know. But I got some new stuff from Morphe and from NYX. So that's, ignore Michael, he's doing stuff from NYX, and then I got the Fenty Concealer. So I just want to try out these new products, and if you want to see my thoughts on all the new stuff that I got and how I feel about these products, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications so that you never miss a new video, and I will see you guys in the next. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna just start off now. Anyways, so I went to Ulta and Morphe. I went to Morphe and I got some stuff and I want to try it out. And I also went to NYX, the NYX store, and got some stuff. So these lashes are in the style Smoochy, and the other ones are Chummy. The ones I tried on are Smoochy, and I really like them. These are some lashes that, you're gonna have to cut a little bit of it off. I didn't do that, so they're not really fitting my eyes perfect right now. But for the purpose of this video, I just went ahead and put them on. So I also have the Fenty Beauty Concealer. That's what I got. I want to try this. Oh, I got this from Sephora, and I got it in the shade 190, which is, I don't even know what name that is. But yeah, I got it in the color 190. Hopefully that's my shade. I got this NYX powder foundation because I have the liquid one in this shade, the little droppers, but I wanted to try the powder one because. And then I got this California Beaming bronzer. So this bronzer color looks so pretty. I'm really excited to try this. So I didn't put no primer on because I don't normally wear primer, to be honest. Well, yes I do. I do now, but I don't know. I don't be trying to waste my primers when I'm not actually going nowhere and I'm just making a video. So what it looks like. The reason why I got this is because the Bare Minerals powder foundation is so bomb, but it costs a lot. So this might be a dupe for that. It's dark.
Where's your ring? How come you guys aren't wearing your ring?
That's actually dark.
Would you like to explain, or should I? Thank you.
But it looked good though. Ooh.
Then I talked to you. I will throw away the trash. If you're the red mine.
This actually looks really good. It's just really dark, but.
A week ago, we argued, and Larissa ran to the bathroom and flushed the ring down the toilet.
My body is gonna have a tan on it, so that's why I got it so dark.
Broke my heart.
It's kind of orangey though, but hopefully when I put like my concealer and stuff on, it'll even it out. You can see the difference in my face and my neck, like drastically.
There's expensive one, not that there's the same. Well, Larissa's wrong for throwing out the ring.
Powder foundation just are like way quicker too, low key. That's another reason why I wanted to try it and see if I would find something that I'm like, yes, and then I could like have it forever. But I'm seeing that this is dark. But other than the color not matching me, it's actually super nice. Like it looks really good on my skin. Sorry y'all. It looks super good on your skin. Like it applies real good. It's dark as heck. I like it, but it's just because I want to be dark, so it's like makes me like it, but it's like it looks crazy. If my body's not gonna be tan like this, then this ain't gonna work. But I'm about to have a tan, so, and plus I feel like I'm gonna like this once I add my concealer and stuff, because I get my concealer lighter. But I'm so excited to try this Fenty concealer though. Ooh. I'm so excited to try this, but I'm looking crazy. I look orange. Do I look like this for real? I'm looking in this camera. Okay, so let's see. I feel like this is gonna work. How light I look. I had a tan, y'all, but it wasn't real. It was a spray. It was fake thing. So that's what's going now. I'm gonna do a video on like how to tan yourself or get tanned by somebody. I got the right shade that I wanted because I like to use my concealer to highlight. I know I'm looking crazy right now, y'all. I know. Normally don't put a lot of concealer on my forehead, but for the sake of the color of this foundation, powder foundation, we gon' go ham. Plus, another thing, we're gonna see how this Fenty works on top of a powder foundation, because obviously, if I was trying it normally, I would be putting it on top of a liquid. But I like the brush that it comes with a lot. Like the brush that it applies with, I really do like. I'm gonna blend one side just like immediately, and then I'm gonna blend the other one how I would normally do it, like wait a little while so it can get thicker. But all tops, this coverage is bomb. Rihanna, girl. Okay. Okay. Do I have a new fave? Because okay, I will say you don't have to use this much as I used. For one, you do not have to use as much product as I did. For two, this coverage, and then it dries matte. It's like a matte, but it's not matte. Like it's matte, it is matte. Never mind. It's matte completely, but it's not dry. That's what I mean. I love it so far. Because this is like bomb. It looks like I already set it with like a powder. Well, I haven't, obviously. So, ooh, I'm amazed. I'm amazed, period. Oh, this is only like 20 what? $25?
Left is my wife that I love, but she bullies me, honestly. And on the right, I have my mother who's family. I love her. I don't want to choose between my mother and Larissa, but my mother can only take so much. Larissa needs to back off.
Y'all, I'm like super in shock.
I just thought you'd like a refreshment.
Like,
My name's Elizabeth.
I don't know if it's the powder that's underneath it or what. I'm gonna have to do another video where I do it without using the powder.
Andre and I have been married now for
But
a year. Married life
this is amazing.
everything I knew
Like,
it would be and more.
this is like my new favorite concealer.
Need some sunscreen? Yes.
What is a what is a NARS? What is a
It's okay.
LA Girl? What is a color pop? Well, I haven't tried color pop before, so let me not. But who are these people? You know, all I know about is Fenty. Now I do know I'm still looking crazy because I obviously need some.
After about 8 months of dating, Andre and I decided to apply for the K1 visa.
I'm just trying to wear this black
When I first
to look
told my
normal.
family that
Something's
I was
off.
bringing a here to be with me, they had all sorts of negative opinions.
What about like a bachelorette party?
You're not taking that.
I'm the youngest girl from a large family, so they're very protective.
We are going to take her to Vegas for a bachelorette party.
She'll not go because I don't like it.
Then I'll have to take this. I'm just using that same powder foundation real quick just to get rid of any harsh lines around that concealer, because it was a little harder to blend out since my beauty blender was dry for one, and because I had the powder underneath it. I don't know if that.
Mercedes live in a big house. I don't worry about that.
But doesn't matter
I'm
what
just
we do,
touching
I
up
think
with that
we
foundation
knew
again.
that Andre and I were meant to get married and be together together. We had our dream wedding. It was absolutely
Just to tone it down a little bit.
difficult to pay rent.
Y'all, that concealer is so bomb. Like, I knew it was gonna be good because I seen reviews of it, but I didn't think it was really gonna be good because I know, like, the Tarte concealer, I know people love that so much, but I don't even like it. Like, I don't like it at all. I only like it for my eyes, for like primer for eyeshadow, because it's super, super dry. But this is dry. This is matte, but not dry. Like, and then that foundation, the darker foundation, like, it balanced out once I added the concealer. So it looks so good. Like, I'm just blown away. So now another new thing that I'm gonna try. Let me put my, this is a charm right here. I can't let that get lost. Anyways, another new thing I'm gonna be trying is this bronzer from NYX. It's California Beaming. Oh, and as far as that powder foundation, that was from NYX as well, and that was in the shade Golden Honey. So I'm trying this California Beaming bronzer in the color Beach Bum. And this color is so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face with this real quick, even though since I used that darker foundation, it kind of low-key made me already have a contour bronze look thing going on.
I was even doing like parties for Ross and no one showed up. And now that Ross and I having a baby, at least they just get out of Oklahoma for once and come visit. I just really want them to be here. I want them to be part of us. But I feel like I have to prove, because I'm the foreign, I always have to prove that I'm doing it for the right reason.
Okay, so I'm not gonna put too much of that on since I'm already super bronzy. But that is a really good product too. It looks super pretty as well. I'm actually gonna add some blush. I'm gonna add this peachy blush from Kiss. I believe I got this from my hair store. Yeah, like Ruby Kisses. And I'm just add this peach color
I don't know, I just don't want to feel that I'm
to my
that
cheeks.
person, and that I always have to prove myself that I'm a better person.
And then as far as highlight, I'm not gonna add highlight because I don't know, I've been kind of liking the look without highlight lately. If I do add some, I'm gonna add a very, very light highlight, like barely nothing.
I never felt part of Rose's family, so I was really depressed. It was really hard for me.
I just want to put that little dot right there.
Because I'm alone in here. I don't have my family.
And I don't mean no highlight on my face. I actually, let me rephrase that. I mean, I haven't been wanting highlight on my face, but I have been wanting it on my nose though, because I cannot live without my nose highlight.
The situation with Ross's family. I really wish that we can be closer, and now that I'm pregnant.
But as far as my face, I've been liking the matte but not dry look like this. So this concealer, you low-key don't even have to set it. So I'm not gonna set mine because I feel like if I do, that's just gonna make it too dry probably. So I'm just taking my darkest shade. It's my Ray Race palette and just deepening up my contour with that. And now for the thing I've been really wanting to try is the Morphe setting spray. Hold on. Since I got this darker thing color on, I'm gonna try this blush out of this Becca palette. Okay, that's a lot of blush, but I like it. So no highlight, you know. I don't know who I heard say this. I think it was I don't even know how to say her name, so I'm not even gonna attempt, but another YouTuber, Kurt. I don't even know. But she was like, no highlight means more blush. So it's a vibe. I agree. So now I'm gonna take my Morphe setting mist that I've been wanting to try so bad because everybody be acting like it's so amazing. Try this. Ooh, I like the way that sprays out. Like, I kind of got carried away because I couldn't even feel it touch my face, and I'm open my eyes, I see that I sprayed a whole bunch on this side of my face. Not really this side, but I'm gonna have to learn that.
Very good. And you start with the same problem again, you know, like you hit my family, you hit my brother in the face, you know.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell y'all, this is my new updated foundation and everything routine. I'm doing this forever, and this is it. It's nothing else. And like I said, my body is normally tanner, so I'm gonna just put on this lip gloss.
Every time there's a problem, every time there's argument, every time there's you know.
This is a Becca lip gloss
I don't can live like that.
in the color
I want to
Brilliant.
be happy, okay?
Something I can't pronounce.
I want for us to be happy. I want a family. I want.
And I'm gonna line my lips with this color.
I'm sorry, I don't want to break your feelings, but
If you want this color,
we try to move to Savannah. No. We're still the same.
honestly, just eyeball it because I don't remember the name.
We can move over here. We can move to Alaska. We can move to no much more possible, and you bring the same problems to the table. Chantal's so selfish sometimes, and then she only want me being there for her.
So this is a look. I love this so much. I love all the new stuff that I got. Honestly, it's all gonna be new staple stuff that I use every day. Not even joking. Like dead ass blood. But anyways, if you guys want details on this hair and how I styled it and all of that, well, I don't really have to style it that much. I just put wand curls in it. But if you guys want details on this hair, then I'm gonna go ahead and do a video on that. I mean, comment down below if you want me to. If you don't want me to, then I mean, I'm still doing so. You really have to comment. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications so that you never miss a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video.